Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into the Google account you want to inspect. Once signed in, open Settings and tap Data and Privacy, then select My Activity. This brings up your recorded actions. Make sure two-factor authentication is ready if Google asks. This keeps access secure. Next, use the search box or filters to narrow results by product, date, or keyword. This first step locates the raw history items you will review and prepares you to refine what to examine next. Once you see the activity list, focus it by applying filters. Choose a date range or specific products like search, maps, or YouTube. You will find a search field to enter keywords that locate related events quickly. Click an entry to view details, timestamp, device, and sometimes a link to the exact action. This confirms when and how the activity occurred. If items repeat, use the provided context to understand patterns. This careful review tells you which entries to keep, delete, or investigate further. Finish by managing what you found. Delete single events, clear a date range, or remove entire product histories if needed, and make sure to confirm deletions. Once done, consider pausing web and app activity or adjusting auto-delete settings to control future data. If expected entries are absent, check other Google accounts, devices, or third-party apps that may have recorded the actions. As a troubleshooting tip, clear cache, resync devices, and recheck My Activity, because syncing delays often hide recent events.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.